My name is Melissa Martucci. I am the head of new agent outreach here at ROVI Homes. I am a full-time real estate agent and I'm a proud military spouse. We were new to Western Mass and we were lucky enough to have a ROVI Homes agent. We had the best experience. Wasn't finding anything that made me truly feel passionate until I found real estate. And I was lucky enough to be a scholarship recipient at ROVI Homes. So that kick-started my career. I can help people start their career and start something that's passionate. I felt like real estate was such an island by yourself. And that was very intimidating, not knowing the area, not knowing what I was doing, learning a new job from scratch. And that culture is here. You can talk to someone that's done over 100 transactions or, they're on their first deal and everyone has that same fire and they're all willing to stop what they're doing and help you. So individuals that have no career experience in real estate, I help them. I can offer them a scholarship application and see if we can help them along their beginning steps of obtaining their real estate license. You get all the training, you get all the education, all your technical, like you have your own phone number, your own email, everything that you need to start your book of business, it's given to you. It's provided for you to help you succeed right from the beginning. I love helping and giving back.